Garrett, I've been thinking. A cell seems to be a lot like a computer, don't you think?
No, I don't.
Well, see, there's a lot of similarities. For example, like,
Wait. Now, hold on. Why were you thinking about something that random? Why weren't you thinking about something normal? Like how Gatorade has over 6 delicious flavors to quench your thirst and replenish your energy.
Is this a sponsored video?
No. Where were we going with this?
The cell thing.
Right.
The nucleus is like the central processing unit, also known as the CPU, of a computer because they both hold vital information and control the actions of the final product.
The DNA is like the programming because they both are instructions on how to function.
The ribosomes, which are the smallest and most abundant organelle, are like the antivirus software because the ribosomes send out proteins to make the cell stronger, just like the antivirus software sends out code to make the computer stronger.
The nucleolus, which is in the center of the cell, is like McAfee guys because they both make the things, for the nucleolus, ribosomes, for the McAfee guys, antivirus software, that make the product stronger.
The mitochondria, which make energy for the cell, would of course be the battery because they produce energy.
The cell membrane, which is a phospholipid layer that surrounds the cell, is like the monitor because they both keep the cell in shape and let nutrients or energy in and let waste or heat out.
Cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance, is like the internal support of a computer because they both hold in place all of the parts that help run the computer or cell.
Lysosomes are like the trash can on your computer because they both get rid of useless items that it doesn't need anymore.
The vacuole, which stores nutrients and water in a cell, is like the hard drive because they both store something, whether nutrients or information. Also, some hard drives can hold more information because they're larger, just like some plant vacuoles can hold more nutrients than animal cells because they're larger.
The endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, is like the wires of a computer because they both transport important materials so the cell or computer can function.
Chloroplast, only found in plant and algae cells, is like the solar panels on the TI-108 calculators because they both get energy from the sun. Gee, those calculators were terrible now.
I know, TI-83 is way better. Finally, there is the cell wall, only found in plant and prokaryotic cells. They're like any external support outside the monitor, like this iPad case, that support and strengthen it.
Well, now do you see why a computer is like a cell?
I guess, but how long are you thinking about it just to come up with all those connections?
Not too long.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Why did I say them with you? How did I know them? What?
Well, obviously,
The DNA is like the programming because they both are instructions on how.
The mitochondria, which make energy for the cell, would of course